Have you ever hopped into your Sportage, started the engine, only to find that the radio turns on by itself? Kind of annoying, right? Sure, you can turn down or mute the volume, but the radio is still playing in the background. So how do you turn it off completely? First, make sure you're comfortably seated in the driver's seat. Now take a look at your steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, you'll notice a button labeled Mode. Now here's the trick. Press and hold the Mode button for a few seconds. Keep holding it until you see AV Off notification on the screen. That's it, you have successfully silenced the radio. Now whenever you turn on your Sportage, the radio will stay off until you decide to turn it back on again. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, folks. A quick tip to take control of your car's radio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WheezJoint for more Kia related tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.